members of the LGBTIQA plus community, the Rainbow Pride Foundation, invited guest CEO and representative from Oxfam. Olavinaka, and a very good evening to all of you. Excuse me, my voice is a bit husky today because I've just finished the cold. Glad to be here today, very happy to be here today to join all of you to open the basic business training that has been organized by hardworking people at Rainbow Pride Foundation. First of all, let me say thank you. Thank you very much for allowing me the opportunity to be a part of this particular occasion. Now, to all of you, you must remember the Fijian government has actively encouraged all Fijians to engage in business. And our support for businesses does not stop with just encouragement. We actually provide training, we provide mentoring, we provide and a hand-holding exercise. And most importantly, we actually provide funding. The Rainbow Pride's Foundation's Economic Empowerment Program is to empower communities to overcome challenges and as much as possible to lessen any perceived stigma, which no one in Fiji should go through. Ladies and gentlemen, the whole cusp of this particular training is to enhance your talents so you will be able to venture into business activities and to become your own boss and to provide for your family and for your community. In my travels around Fiji, ladies and gentlemen, I have seen just how blessed we are to be born with so much creativity. Fijians, I think, have a creativity DNA in them, and that is what makes us. We must not forget that you're born with it, so you must tap into it. Come what may in life, you must actually tap into that creativity. There are cases where creativity never really flourishes because there is no helping hand to guide it to its fruition. All of you here know how creative you are, absolutely, and the things you have actually done, the things you are yet to accomplish in a normal thread of life, and you are to be an integral part of all of it. And this is why, for this community, it's hugely important to continue accessing such opportunities. It's not just for one person or any kind of person, it's for all persons. I'm glad that the ministry is actually partnering with you in this 3-day training workshop to strengthen your business skills and to acknowledge and your knowledge in different areas. And we really do hope to see that you see this as a partnership. As a ministry, we pride ourselves in working closely with our stakeholders and partners. And by this I mean also providing hand-holding services like training and business advisory to ensure that we see you through this. In the last financial year, ladies and gentlemen, the ministry undertook about 83 different trainings through which we have empowered more than 1,300 Fijians right around the country. And they have confidently started their businesses or improved or expanded their business ventures. We continue to elevate as many Fijians as we can through our training and the capacity building program so that no community is left behind in this commercially driven world. The ministry's training program largely looks at how you can start, improve, and grow your business. We look at basic bookkeeping, as you all know, budgeting, costing, and pricing, post-disaster business recovery, personal and entrepreneurial competence, and cooperative management, all of which are actually fundamental today. But remember, you are not limited by these training sessions alone. Ladies and gentlemen, and people of other persuasions, there are so many opportunities for you in the business world, either venturing out as a sole trader business, or you can come together and share your resources in forming a collaborative effort like a cooperative business. The cooperative business model, ladies and gentlemen, is an amazing business setup And the members have voluntarily, are voluntary, and you can open membership and democratic member control, member economic participation, autonomy and independence, along with education, training, and information sharing. We can arrange for the cooperative awareness session for the participants if you like, we can. So you can have different business models to consider when actually starting your business. To add value to the trainings, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure that the ministry can organize an awareness session as our Fijian Made by Fijian brand campaign with the Fijian Made emblem. Also, you can strengthen your market presence and make your product more competitive. And I urge you all to really seriously think about what I just said, especially in light of the fact that our tourism borders are now open again. At this juncture also, I'd like to touch on a few relevant initiatives announced in the revised 2021-2022 national budget a few weeks ago. And this is specifically geared towards boosting our micro and small enterprises and inculcating an entrepreneurship culture. As per the revised budget, the ministry has been allocated about $500,000 for the Trade Enhancement Program. And this initiative aims to assist trade-based MSMEs through $500 startup funding for purchase of items for their businesses. And the TEP assistance is open to those micro-entrepreneurs that are from a trade background. For example, for caterers, for hairdressers or electricians, to name a few, who can take advantage of this particular opportunity. The program will be launched very soon, so please keep a lookout for it on the ministry's website. I hope today sets a foundation for a stronger partnership in the days to come. I'd like to say this again, that you're all extremely talented, and our role here is to help you help yourselves. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, it's my absolute pleasure to once again open this training and hope you are inspired to do something new for yourselves. Nawalewu, thank you very much.